people, how una day? I hope so una day okay for this cold season. I welcome una to Adanma TokTok again, and you know say I be your favorite girl, Adanma BK. I don't come with better gist on wetin happen for this country this week. You know as they be now, you know how I tell the serve una the gist as they hot. So you carry your chair, sit down, cross your leg, balance gidiba. So I go enter the tori proper. And the first story we dey look into now, this 15-year-old boy will go buy Benzema. You know it's in they call Benz. So this pikin carry the car go give him papa for house. Now the papa look and say, wetin dey sup for here now? Since when? As how? Where you dey buy Benz at your age, 15 years old? Where even dey SS1? 15 years old, I don't even know where I even dey say, but that aside, he come buy Benz, come house. Now the papa say, where you foresee ego? Take purchase Benz. Now my uncle tell am say na forex. Nah, shut up there. What is forex? Forex, we say adult like me. I sit down and say, okay, let us make money. You nearly give me BP. You can't say at your age, 15 years, you don't enter forex, they buy Benz. Now lie. Nah, I no believe. He even say your uncle even assist them to even do the other your uncle, they suspect them, but we'll go leave that one aside. I even hear say the pikin don't rent house join at 15. All these small children, I don't know where they get their mind from. They think say life now bread and butter. Anyway, go jam her for front, but I pray make him shall spend the money wisely, because now the things we go talk, if I get money, I won't do this one. When the money come, they're not the serious thing they do more. So I pray make him spend the money well. And in the story, we're going to look into na Pella where we say proposed to a girlfriend allegedly. Now it's not here be that too. So these two young birds, where they in love. I don't even know where they see young love from. Where I even they share her. I don't even know. But that aside, I hear say don't finally propose to the girl. Even one certain time we say one saga come say their genotype no match. At the end of the day, the guy say forward ever, backward never. You understand that kind of thing? I even hear now say they plan marriage and the marriage go happen for October. Hey! Oh, salo wow la young love. Anyways, I wish them the best though. Make they enjoy the marital status as they suit. Now, congratulations. And next story, we look into na Davido, where you remember in son, Ifeanyi, we don't by a few years ago. I saw Davido just sit down, they remember his son, the memories where he and his son don't get in the past few days. Now he say making tweet about them. Before you know it, they happen now, he and Wizkid begin to batch each other for the Twitter. They drag themselves. This one they talk they talk who first post and who no first post. To post speaking now, ton competition. Who can allow who they grieve, make him grieve in peace. He remember his son, no be say make he come fight. I know who understand how Nate they do something. Now they grieve, they find trouble. But anyways, may the soul of the faithful departed rest in peace. We shall miss Ifeanyi. We miss him. It is well. And next we're going to look into another new movie we don't come outside. Now don't watch that film where they call To Kill a Monkey. At first, when I even see the title, I call like, I want enter bush, go they kill monkey. But as I settle down, watch the film. That film makes sense. Die into sweet. If you never watch them, try go watch them because better lesson they inside. Not every time we watch romance. Even the romance, most of them not even get up. So we can watch the one where we say go teach you now moral lessons of life. Thank you. Watch and thank me later. And our final story, we're going to look into now Simi Saya and Femi Dabson. We don't engage. Hey! You see me like this. Personally, I'm happy for that girl. You know why? Because that girl na everybody girl. The girl, they turn up. She go turn up party. Anything where you just call her, see me, fall out. See me go fall out like this. And also they do everything with excitement. They dance. Now, it don't reach her turn for everybody to tell her congratulations. That's so like Bio. If your neighbor, they do something, follow her with all your heart, all your mind. Because you know when your own blessing won't take arrive. But it showed me that I say she go do worst past Vicky James. Because since they put that ring for her hand, newly engaged just woke up. He won't choke me with the ring for my eye. But anyways, I'm happy for her. Congratulations. Okay, before I go end today talk, I want just to know one small story where I don't hear for ground. So, una know VDM and Portable now. So you get one certain time about last year, many years ago, I know if you truly remember. But I hear say Portable been do one thing where involve VDM for inside. Now VDM don't bounce back. You see that's why they say fear my return. na VDM don't do. You don't do fear my return, give portable. Now, some of them don't they drag themselves. Till now, we don't even know how the matter they lead. They just, they share, they drag themselves for internet. I don't know why Nigeria too like cruise and trouble. We'll not go just stay, we'll go, things we don't pass. We'll carry and come beginning. We dey here, they wait for how they want to take settle their matter. Thank you. Okay, well, people, I don't come to the end of today Adanma TokTok. You know as they be now, I go back again. Go hear more information. Carry and come tell una as I did one for here. So what you go do for me? We say you go like stay informed, and keep yourself safe. Cool today. If you no get man, we go help you. You drink water and hold your Bible and pray. Until that time again, I go see you next week. This same time, this same station. I remain your girl Adanma TokTok. I go see you next time. Bye bye.
Vibes and Cruise.